Carrot. Carrot. An orange root vegetable that is crunchy. Example. Rabbits like to eat carrots. Potato. Potato. A round vegetable used in many dishes. Example. She made French fries from potatoes. Tomato. Tomato. A red vegetable used in salads and sauces. Example. He added tomato to the sandwich. Onion. Onion. A vegetable with layers and a strong smell. Example. She cut an onion for the curry. Garlic. Garlic. A small white vegetable used for flavor. Example. Garlic makes the food tasty and healthy. Cabbage. Cabbage. A leafy green vegetable. Example. We made salad with cabbage. Cauliflower. Cauliflower. A white vegetable that looks like a flower. Example. He cooked cauliflower with spices. Spinach. Spinach. A green leafy vegetable full of iron. Example. Spinach makes you strong and healthy. Broccoli. Broccoli. A green vegetable that looks like a small tree. Example. She steamed broccoli for dinner. Peas. Peas. Small round green vegetables. Example. He added peas to the rice. Cucumber. Cucumber. A long green vegetable used in salads. Example. Cucumber is cool and refreshing. Chili. Chili. A spicy vegetable that adds heat to food. Example. He used chili in the sauce. Pumpkin. Pumpkin. A big orange vegetable. Example. We carved a pumpkin for the festival. Eggplant. Eggplant. A purple vegetable also called brinjal. Example. She cooked eggplant curry. Radish. Radish. A white or red crunchy root vegetable. Example. Radish is often eaten in salads. Beetroot. Beetroot. A dark red vegetable that is sweet. Example. Beetroot juice is very healthy. Corn. Corn. Yellow seeds on a cob, also called maize. Example. We roasted corn on the fire. Mushroom. Mushroom. A soft vegetable that grows in damp places. Example. He added mushrooms to the pizza. Ladyfinger. Ladyfinger. A green vegetable also called okra. Example. She fried ladyfinger for lunch. Ginger. Ginger. A root vegetable with a strong taste. Example. Ginger tea is good for health. Thanks for watching. Don't forget to like, subscribe, and share. See you in the next video.